Díomh agus fáilte a chuirde, hello and welcome. Welcome to Amhrán na Seachtaine, Song of the Week. Each week on my blog I pick a song and share the lyrics along with a translation and several different versions of the song by different artists. This is a pronunciation guide for you if you would like to learn the song and sing it in Irish. An seachtain seo beimid ag fálam Nead na Lachan. This week we'll be learning Nead na Lachan. Nead na Lachan sa bhúta. Nead na Lachan sa bhúta. Nead na Lachan sa bhúta. Scurthaigh mé mac ar an gcúanthú. An curfá, the chorus. Hi-dee diddle-dee diddle-dee. Hi-dee-dee-dee darrow. Hi-diddle-dee idle-dee idle-dee. Hi-dee diddle-dee darrow. Berig me corach is crúghat. Berig me corach is crúghat. Berig me corach is crúghat. Scurthaigh mé mac ar an gcúanthú. Cheanóidh mé slaat is drúghat. Cheanóidh mé slaat is drúghat. Cheanóidh mé slaat is drúghat. Scurthaigh mé mac ar an gcúanthú. Cheanóidh mé cúla bhreá nuaghat. Cheanóidh mé cúla bhreá nuaghat. Cheanóidh mé cúla bhreá nuaghat. Scurthaigh mé mac ar an gcúanthú. A PDF with the lyrics and translation along with the melody and an MP3 of the pronunciation guide are available on my website simplyjacinta.com. Take a D, simplyjacinta.com/blog, and you will find some links to videos of different versions of the songs, or you can do a search on YouTube, Spotify, Amazon Music, etc. Tá seanliste an freisin de Amhrán na Seachtaine ar YouTube. There's also a playlist of the songs of the week available on YouTube. I'll put the link in the description box below. Má bhain tú soltas, if you enjoyed this or got value, gur míle maithagah, thank you very much. Cas Amhrán.